I was making a quick video showing you a little floor plate I made for my buddy's track car. Pretty easy to do. I just took a piece of cardboard, cut up a rough template of what the shape I needed it to be to fit the floor here, like this. That's how I wanted it. There's nowhere for the passenger to put their feet in here, so it feels kind of sketchy when you're, especially on the track. So I just want it like this and secure it to the floor. I'm not sure if I'm gonna tack weld it or rivet it or riv nut or make little brackets or how I'm gonna attach it yet, but this was the basic shape. So I took that and used a marker, traced it onto a piece of sheet metal I had laying around. It's a little rusty, but I just kind of wire wheeled it off and traced that on there. Bent up this bottom lip, took a 1 3/4 inch hole saw, just drilled a bunch of holes, kind of mapped it out a little bit, roughly kind of the spacing how I wanted it, and then bought a dimple die, 1 3/4 inch dimple die, and ran that in, and that's it. So pretty easy to do. Nice little, gives it kind of a good race car look to it, and somewhere nice to put your feet. It doesn't weigh a whole lot, even just using steel instead of aluminum. I mean, ultimately, if this was a competitive, race car, I'm sure you'd want to use some aluminum or something like that, but this is pretty lightweight. And with the dimple die, it gives it quite a bit of strength. It actually feels really rigid. It's crazy how much of a difference that makes. So yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna secure it in there, put some durable paint on it, some sort, whatever he wants. And yeah, just want to show you. Thank you.